this video, I'm going to be talking about Bitwarden Authenticator versus Authy. So Bitwarden Authenticator is an open source integrated tool, while Authy is a standalone app known for its cloud backup and multi-device sync. The best choice depends on user priorities. Bitwarden is favored for its transparency and integration with a password manager, while Authy is convenient for its seamless cloud synchronization and multi-device access, though it lacks the open source transparency of alternatives. I'm just going to go ahead and share the features with you so that you can understand about it both. So when it comes to features, let's talk about integration first. Bitwarden Authenticator, it is integrated with Bitwarden Password Manager, generates TOTP codes directly within the Bitwarden ecosystem. Authy is a standalone application with its own interface and features. When it comes to transparency, Bitwarden Authenticator is open source, meaning its code is publicly available for review, and Authy is a closed source, meaning its code is proprietary and not publicly available. When it comes to synchronization, Bitwarden Authenticator has none because its codes are stored locally within the Bitwarden vault. However, Authy does allow multi-device synchronization, allowing access to TOTP codes from multiple devices. When it comes to backup and recovery, again, Bitwarden offers none as codes are part of the vault and depend on your vault backup recovery. Authy offers cloud backup for easier recovery if you lose a device. When it comes to security, it is open source. So Bitwarden Authenticator is open source, and its open source nature allows for public scrutiny but does not have the same cloud backup features as Authy. Authy is closed source but offers robust features like encrypted backups and PIN protection. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you.